Hi, let's look at some of the most used Sage 300 desktop version shortcuts that you will need in your day-to-day work that can help you speed up your work tremendously. Let's get started. So I'm in a payment entry screen where I'm recording a weekly payment run. I have already completed my first entry. Now to do a second entry, either I can click on the plus sign, or if I'm already here in the entry number, I can simply press the insert key on the keyboard and the new entry will be inserted. That is applicable for all the places where you see this plus sign. Now let's say I want to record my supplier payment. I want to select my supplier over here, so I can quickly open the Finder by using the F5 key on my keyboard. Now to scroll up and down, I can use the page up and page down buttons. Page down will go to the last record visible in the list, and if I press the end key on the keyboard, it will take me to the last entry in this list. Similarly, home key will go to the first entry in the list, and page up, page down will go to the first or last record visible in a list. Now let's say I can also use the arrow keys if I want to go one or level up or down, and I want to select a supplier over here by pressing the enter key. Then quickly I can click on this button here to see a list of all the invoices which are due, or I can press the F7 key on my keyboard and that will give me a list. So it will activate the go button. F7 is the shortcut for that. Now after the go button is activated, now I want to make a payment against this invoice, so I need to apply. So either I can double click on this to make it yes, or I can simply press the space bar on my keyboard and that will turn it to yes. Tab will move to the next field, and right now it is in the orange color. So if I want to edit it, I can press the F2 key on my keyboard and it will go into the edit mode. Again, I can press the F2 key back to come out of the edit mode. And if I want to use the calculator at this stage for any amount field, I can simply come on that amount field and press the plus sign on the keyboard and it will invoke the calculator. Now let's say I want to pay them 500 divided by 1.05 just for the sake of calculation. Enter, and I can see there is a value which says 476. So I can simply use the paste option here to paste this value, or I can press Alt P here because it is underlined. So Alt P and the value will get pasted. Tab will take me to the next field. Once you have completed your transaction entry, either you can click on the add button or you can press Alt A. You can see that A is underlined here. So if I press Alt A, that entry will be saved. So I'm into the next entry immediately. Similarly, if I go to an order entry screen where I have, let's say, customer, so F5 is the shortcut to find a customer, and then I want to go to the date field. Now in the date field, if I want to open this calendar here, then I can do that by pressing the F4 key on the keyboard. So when I press the F4, the calendar will be open and I can use the arrow keys to move. So let's say I want to select yesterday's date, and in the item F5 to open the Finder list, select an item, move to the next field, select the location. Again, all these options are available. I enter the quantity. Now to go to the second line, I can press the insert key and I will be taken to the next line immediately. For any reason, if you want to delete this line, you can come back to it and press the delete key on your keyboard and you will be allowed to delete the line. Again, insert key to add a new line, delete to delete an existing line. That's it for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips. If you've got more questions about Sage 300, or if you're planning to implement an ERP solution for your company, reach out to Cephii Computers, your trusted ERP expert since 2011. You can find the link in the description or visit cephiecomputers.com to get in touch. Thank you and have a nice day.